I want to tell you about a client who came to me after losing AED 280,000 to a contractor in Dubai. The company had a beautiful website, a polished portfolio, competitive pricing, all the right things on paper. And they took his deposit, started the job, and slowly everything unraveled. Delays, excuses, substandard work, and eventually they stopped showing up entirely. What broke my heart was that this was completely avoidable. 3 questions asked before signing would have revealed everything he needed to know. Question 1. Can I visit a project you are currently working on and speak directly to your site manager? Not a finished project with professional photographs, a live one mid-construction. How a company operates under real pressure tells you infinitely more than any showroom visit. Question 2. Who are your primary subcontractors and how long have you worked with them? A professional operation has stable, trusted relationships with their specialist trades. A company that uses whoever is cheapest that week has no quality control and no accountability when things go wrong. Question 3. What does your payment schedule tie to? Calendar dates or completion milestones? This single question separates the professional operators from the ones who will drain your budget before delivering anything of value. Milestones protect you. Calendar dates protect only them. Save these 3 questions. Share them with anyone you know who is about to renovate a property in Dubai. I am Clara from Dubai Build Insider. We are here to make sure you never become the story I just told you.